gonna help Daddy do the turkey when you're older?
No.
Are you gonna help Daddy fry a turkey? Are you gonna help him fry a turkey?
Say yes, sir.
Are you
yes,
gonna-
ma'am.
Are you gonna help Daddy fry the turkey? Tell me. Tell me. Yeah. You are? You're gonna help? Are you gonna help Mommy make Oreo balls? Are you gonna help Mommy make Oreo balls?
No.
Yeah, you are? Well, thank you. Oh, yes, okay. Really? What about Chex Mix? Are you going to help Mommy make Chex Mix? Oh, you're not sure about that one, huh?
No. Not sure at all.
Well, are you going to play with Chip while Mommy and Daddy cook? Huh? Oh, well, okay. Are you going to wait for Santa to come?
Yeah.
Is Santa Claus going to come see you? You don't know who Santa is, do you?
Not yet. Not yet, Mom. I don't know what Santa is. I don't know that.
You will one day. Okay, say bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Look at this turkey. It smells good. Oh, you think it smells good too? Do you think it smells good too? Oh yeah, it does, huh? It smells good. Yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.